going on, guys? Nice evening here on the farm. It's about 7 o'clock right now. It's nice, we're getting stretches in the evening. And here are the birds. Got Raven, Peanut, Bluebell, Ginger. The ducks should be somewhere. Taking this out to water. Grass is finally coming back through. There's Red. Where does ducks go? Ducks are gone in here. Sully, my ducks. It's kind of annoying though because I spent the last while filling this up for the ducks and they're not going into it. Bluebell. Yeah, it's a nice evening here on the farm. Just taking care of it. Hoping to extend this even more soon. There's Peanut chilling. How you doing, Peanut? She loves having duck baths. Oh, Peanut. And here's Raven. Just chilling, squeaking around. They have a large space to free range. At least a couple hours a day. Plus, the end too is quite big as well. Yeah, just watering this. I'm hoping to get a pony soon. We need grass for pony. Got to remove that stable and build a new one. Get a pony in here. That's the plan. Throw his junk around, clear up the place. The scraps I got from when I built this coop, with some pieces of wood, I'm going to make a quail coop. But it's just too big for a quail because I know they're quite small, so they don't escape. So that's why again here soon we're going to get a pony, build the pony over there, build a stable for the pony, and then maybe similar to my old chicken coop. Here's the old chicken coop. Got to get rid of all this. Scrap it. Some of this might be savable though. Some of this is tough chicken wire. So, but yeah, maybe put the quail coop here. Oh, I'm thinking about keeping distance from the chickens. I might put the quail coop over here. Might put it over here beside the apple tree. Apples are coming in quite nicely, I think. These are nice cooking apples by the end of the summer. Hope to be selling them at my eggs. I want to build a steer coop, steer shed that's as tall as this, not as big but as tall. So I can keep the chickens at night because summertime not too bad for foxes and stuff, but winter time definitely want them to be more secure, so I think a nice big steer coop. Nothing can get into a steer coop. Just plans for this field, man. Got big plans for the rest of this summer. It's going to be a busy summer. Hoping to buy geese, hoping to buy more chickens, more ducks, quails, ponies, and who knows what else. Maybe goldfish, but not, obviously I won't keep them in here. Yeah, I'm just going to fill this up now. What I use this for this isn't for the ducks to swim in. When they're younger they swim in it, but it's for ducking their heads in. These ducks, they don't always need to swim, but they like to duck their heads into water, so that's what I have this here for. Because the chickens aren't really swimming it, it's safe for them to drink from this. So it's just rafting around. Just got my fucking gloves. So now the ducks conductor heading there, doing some fresh water. I know these longer videos don't get much views. Probably kind of boring. You know, probably the same. But when the summer comes and I got more bigger projects, I'm going to film proper videos, edit them and stuff. The summer, it's going to be a busy summer here. A lot of stuff that needs to be done. Anyways, yeah, I hope you like the plans I got for the place. Hope you continue watching. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.